Now let us discuss about B tree of order 3. Let us solve this example. Construct B tree of order 3 using the elements. So here some elements are given. So we have to construct the tree based on B tree of order 3. So here order m equal to order 3 is given. So m value is 3. The maximum number of keys are, the formula is m minus 1. So here m value is 3. So 3 minus 1. 3 minus 1 means 2. So per node we can use maximum 2 keys. So let's take this example. So here 2 keys, they are K1, K2. So K1 is the first key, K2 is the second key. So per node we can use maximum 2 keys only. Next, maximum number of children are, that is nothing but m value. So here the order is 3. So we can use 3 children maximum per node. So here those 3 children are, if you take this example, we have 3 children. First children is LC, left child. Second children is MC, middle child. Third children is RC, right child. So we have 2 keys, 3 children. So left child contains the keys which are less than K1. Middle child contains the keys in between key 1 and key 2. Whereas right child contains the keys which are greater than key 2. Now let us solve this example. So here all these nodes are inserted at the leaf node. So what is the first key? 10. So insert this key into the leaf node. So 10. So here the order is m is 3, whereas the number of keys per node are 3 minus 1, 2, whereas the maximum children per node are, that is order value, that is 3. So next we have to insert 34. Here we have to arrange the nodes in sorted order, ascending order. So after 10 we have to insert 34. So 10, 34. Next node is 78. So next insert the key 78. So we have to arrange the keys in ascending order. So 10, 34. After 34 we will get 78. So here per node maximum we can use 2 keys only. But here we have 3 keys. So we can say that the leaf node is full. So now we have to split this node. So for that we have to calculate the middle element. So here the middle element can also be called as median element. So here what is the middle element? 34. So push this element up. So push this element up. So now 34 will becomes the parent node. So we have to split this one into 2 nodes, 2 childs. So here 10 is less than 34. So arrange here, place here. Next here we have 78. 78 is greater than 34. So it will becomes right child. Whereas 10 is less than 34. So it will becomes the left child. So next we have 45. Here the keys are always inserted at the leaf node. So we can't insert 45 at the parent node. So we have to insert in leaf node. 45 is less than 34 or greater than 34. 45 is greater than 34. So we have to insert in this node. So arrange in ascending order. So before 78 we will get this 45. So 45 and we have 78. So 45, 78. Next one is 123. 123 is greater than 34. So we have to insert in this leaf node. So after 78 we have to insert 123. 123. So now we can say that the leaf node is full. So we have to calculate the middle element and push that element up. So now the parent node will contain 2 keys. So we have to arrange them in ascending order. So 34, 78. So split this one into 2 childs. So here 10 is less than 34. So it is left child. Here we have 45. 45 is in between 34 and 78. So it will become the middle child, 45. Next here coming to the 123. 123 is greater than 78. So it will become the right child, 123. Next we have to insert 341. So 341 is greater than 78. So we have to insert in this leaf node. So 123, 341. So they are in sorted order. So next here we have 234. 234. 234 is greater than 78. So we have to insert in this leaf node. So 123 arrange in ascending order. So 123, 234, next insert. Next here we have 341. 341. So again this leaf node is full. So we have to calculate the middle element and push this element up. So if we insert here, here we will get 34, 78, 234. 234. Again this parent node is full. So we have to calculate the middle element and push this element up. So 78 will becomes the root now. So 78 will becomes the root. 34 is less than 78. So it will becomes the left child. Whereas 234 is greater than 78. So it will becomes the right child. So next, here we have 10. 10 is less than 34. So it is left child. Next we have 45. 45 is less than 78, greater than 34. So 34 right child, 45. Next here we have 123. 123 is greater than 78. 123 is less than 234. So 234 is pushed up. Next here we have 341. So 341 is greater than 234. Next, what is the next element? 167. 167. So 167 is greater than 78. Next, 167 is less than 234. So we have to insert 167 in this leaf node. So 123. After 123, we will get in the examination, it is better to construct the tree based on the keys tree by tree. Okay. For space constraints, here I am attaching more nodes in one tree. So 123. Next, which element we are inserting? Which key? 167. 123 and 167. Next here we have 159. So 159 is less than 234. So 159 is in between 123 and 167. So now we can say that this leaf node is full. So we have to push this element up. So now the parent node will contains 2 keys. So what is the root node here? 78 is the root node. Next, 34 is less than 78. Next, we are pushing this element up. So we have to write in, arrange in ascending order, sorted order. So 159, 234. So 159, 234. It will becomes the parent node. 159, 234. Next, 10 is less than 34. Next, 45 is greater than 34. Next, 123 is greater than 78, but 123 is less than 158. Next, 159 is pushed up. Next, what about 167? 167 is in between 159 and 234. 167. Next, we have 341. 341 is greater than 234. 341. This is 3. So next we have to insert 159 is over. Yes. Next we have to insert 52. 52. 52 is greater than 34. So 45 we have to insert in this leaf node. So 45. After 45 we will next insert the last key, that is 83. So we know that the keys are always inserted in leaf node. 83 is greater than 78. So we have to insert in the right part. 83 is less than 158, that means left part. So we have to arrange in this leaf node, we have to insert 83. So we have to arrange in ascending order. So 83, 123. So this is the final output after inserting all these elements.